What's up, fam? It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. So today was just the what wig I'm gonna put on today kind of day. So I just did a quick wig installation and threw a couple of gold accents in it because the space on the side is about this much lace. You can't really do no kind of style with this besides put it in the part and slicking down the edges. So just tried to do something a little bit different. Anyway, here we go. And oh, look, I got my pajama pants on. I'm just Netflix and chilling. So do my hair with me and chill. So this is the wig that I'm going to be using. It is a 13x4 lace front human hair. It's wavy. The color is natural black. It has lace in the front and tracks in the back. So I already did my ball cap method, so now all I have to do basically is just cut off the excess lace. As you can see, I did the simple, easy method. I did not do that tricky one where you're cutting out the holes over your ears and you can't see, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to just put her on, see how she looks, see if I need to take up any of the cap back. Everything looks fine. Okay, so now I'm going to take my makeup, concealer, and just start to darken it up around the edges a little bit. You know the routine. So I just cut the excess lace off. Now I'm going to put her on. As you can see, it's a really tight and snug fit. I have to constantly put it down because the fit is so tight. I do customize and resize my wigs every time I get them because I got a peanut head. So if you guys would like to see the video on how I resize the wig to fit my peanut head, make sure you scroll down in the description because the video is there along with some other videos that you probably have not seen. So now I am just taking my Ghost Bond glue and I'm putting the glue around my edges where my lace front will lay. The glue is tacky now, time to pull it down and secure it. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the holding spray and spray in between the parts a little bit for extra security. Time to switch over to the other side. So now I'm just going to secure this side as I did the opposite side. Now I'm going to cut this excess lace that's hanging over my ears. Now I'm going to double check this side to make sure there's no excess lace or anything I need to take care of. So now after that, I'm just going to take out the little pieces for my baby hair and cut them the length that I want them. And if you guys been following me and watching my other videos, you know that I hate to do baby hair. It takes me such a long time. So forgive me if I'm moving like a snail. But I know one thing, I'm going to start doing with Slate by Jordan suggested we do. He said in one of his videos that he is starting to do his baby hair first. So I'm going to try that on my next installation. I'm going to actually do the baby hair on my doll head before the installation. And then that way when I get ready to put it on, it'll already be done. So I will try that for my next video to see how it turns out. If you guys have any suggestions about baby hair, feel free to leave me a comment because the sister needs help. Time for the big baby hair reveal. Ooh, that's a relief. I don't know why I put this plait in the back of my head, but I did. Okay, now let's start to press out the edges a little bit and see what I'm gonna do to this stuff. Like I said, the size of this lace front is ridiculous. It's basically nothing you can do with this wig but wear it down. You see how, look, you see how short it is? Like the width of where the lace is. If I part my hair on the side more than an inch, you will be able to see the track. So I can't do much, but I'm gonna work with what I got. So what I'm going to do is put a couple of small little ponytails at the top and put a little hair decoration in it. So I'm just going in with the end of my hot comb to widen up the parts a little bit, make them a little bit more visible. Then I'm going to take my mousse and my rubber band and make some little squares. So now that all the squares are done, I'm going to go ahead and put my gold little accents that I use for my braids over the rubber bands so that they will be gold. And when I put my hair up, it'll match my chain, my earrings, my little nose ring. You know, I'm just trying to do something a little different besides just wear it down. Everybody just wears it down. You got to do something different sometimes. So again, thank you guys for chilling with me and trying something different. TB time.